family? Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning. On my way to go deliver this welding skid. Got everything back here. Turned out fine. I'm pleased and happy with it. I had to add a couple more things on it later after the day that I forgot. I was like, damn, forgot about that. So, get everything ready to go. About to go make some money. And he's excited. He said, man, I can't wait to put my reels on there. He went and actually bought the air hose reels off of Amazon that I told him about, the 3/8 reels. So he's turning them into his welding lead reels. So that's the goal this morning, man. I'm out here networking, doing my thing. Supposed to have a storm coming in. So I'm going to try to get back before it hits hard. So that's what we're doing. Getting our hog on this morning. Black Phoenix Weld Technicians.